day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but
Good morning. Good morning, birds. How are you guys doing? Ala, you come. Come. Here. Let's play. Here. More. Closer. Come here. Here. Oh, looks like you are all present today. Ooh. I get you the food. Okay, come. Here. Here. Laro muna tayo. Come. Oh. Ala. Can't wait. Okay, breakfast time. Breakfast time. You really come early also, huh? Where do you guys sleep? Maybe at the back. You live with us in here already. Not too sunny yet, but the fountain is working. It's charged from yesterday. Oh, get one tomato. Oh, two. Okay, eat your breakfast. And while you guys eat, I will unbox. Oops. We get something yesterday, but I did not open. Oh, I can see it from here already. What's inside the box? It's for gardening. Guess what, guys? Oops, it's another Coco Coir bricks. Because the one I unboxed, I think 3 weeks ago. Oh, no more. We used everything already. And our garden is growing. So we need another batch. So another 8 Coco Coir bricks for gardening. This one really good. Okay. Let me just put back. So that's my unboxing today, guys. And quick update tayo, guys. Remember the purple sweet potato that I transplanted? Oh, look at them. Very healthy. The leaves very green and nice. So I get 2 pots. Even the strawberry. Look, get flowers. And the leaves, oh, it really became very nice. After hubby transferred in a different pot, the woven, something like a fabric pot. And then in here, I put sunflower seeds. I think 4 days already. And then look, I can see one sprouting in there. And another one in there. There. What? No more food? I can give you more. Ala, you eat good. And you know what, guys? If we stay here taking care of the plants and these birds are finished eating, they still hang with us, even without food. They stay here while we talk stories, as if they understand and they are listening. Okay, I'm giving everything now. Enjoy. So after eating, they stay there in the post. And two more in there. Oh, very sweet. Partners. Oops. Oh, somebody went in the fountain and drink water. Hi everyone, it's cooking time. So I will cook lunch. Earlier, hubby started cooking our dinner already. So it's his turn to cook dinner, and me, I will cook lunch. And again, guys, I will be cooking my version of, it's not really a corn chowder because aside from the original recipe of corn chowder, nabubulol si ako, I am putting everything, all the ingredients that I wanted. So, halo-halo na to, guys. First, I have here vegetable oil. Konti lang. Because I will be frying the meat. So, I have here bacon, spam, and sausages. Like what I said, it's not really the corn chowder recipe. Promise, this will be very, very ono. Oh, by the way, ono is a Hawaiian word which means delicious. Sa atin in Philippines, kapag Tagalog, masarap. At sa ating mga Ilocano guys, ang ibig sabihin ng ono, naimas. Okay, waiting for a few minutes. Just warming the oil. So, I will fry first the sausage. Quick frying, just to make sure it is cooked and a little bit brownish. So time check, it's 10:23 in the morning. We usually eat lunch around 11 o'clock. So let's see if I finish cooking by 11. Our stomach gets a timer clock. By 11, oh, we will feel hungry already. Because breakfast, we eat light breakfast. It's one slice of the ube bread. This morning, we also ate yogurt and then papaya and cherries. And the papaya, very, very sweet because it's from our garden. Okay, so after browning the sausage, a little bit more. I think this is good. Oops. Next, may I fry the spam. Quick frying lang muna, guys. And hubby cook the Japanese style beef curry stew. So expect I will be eating a lot tonight because it's very, very oishi. 10:26. Oh, looks like I will be on the spot. Let's see. Oh, is this a cooking challenge? Okay, this is good enough. Spam is ready. It looks a lot earlier, but I think it's just right. Not too much. Whoop, last one. It's the bacon. Smoked bacon. Masarap to, guys, promise. Not much on the garden today, guys, because I picked fruits already yesterday and some vegetables. So it's more of a cooking today. How about you guys in there? What are you cooking? What's your dish for today? Are you cooking, making food at home or take out? Or eating at a restaurant? Let's start. First, I will saute onion. Oops. Ayan siya. Sibuyas. Making it a little bit translucent before adding the garlic. I think it's time to add the garlic or yung ating tinatawag na bawang. You notice, guys, my pot get brownish. That is from the bacon, the sausage, and spam. I did not change my pot nor wash it. This will give a better taste later. So I will put the potato. Sorry. These are potatoes. Then I will also add the carrot. Dice lang sila, guys. I will put a little bit of the pink salt or the Himalayan salt. Okay. Let me add some celery. Oh, very colorful na. I will add evaporated milk. Look at that. Ooh. Add a little bit of water. Konti lang. So I will let this boil few minutes. I will not add salt yet because the spam, the sausage, the bacon, they are salty. So I will put that first later and then add salt if needed. Oh, look at this. It's boiling, guys. Ayan. So I will just wait for the potato and carrot to become half tender. Afterwards, I will be adding the other ingredients. 10:47. I don't think I can meet my 11 o'clock target. Stress. It's okay. I'm just waiting for the potato to become tender. By then, I can add all the other ingredients. Not bad. It's I can say it's more than half tender already. I think I can add the other ingredients. So I have here, guys, I boiled some elbow macaroni earlier. So I will add. That's why I was telling earlier, it's a combination of the chowder and just like the chicken sopas in Philippines. Because I am adding elbow macaroni. Lahat ng mga gusto kong ingredients, ilagay natin. Para masarap. Okay, and then I can also add corn kernel. Oh, another favorite. You know what, guys? If I open a corn kernel, because I am using the one in can, oh, I can eat almost maybe 1/3 of it while cooking. I'm a corn lover, sweet corn eater. Of course, I need to put all. There you go. Masarap to. Another ingredient. Oh, sweet corn, but it's the cream style. So, let's make the chowder very creamy. If you put a lot of corn, can you say corny? Ang corny ya. Ang corny naman. Choke, choke. Wow. This is super, super delicious. I guarantee talagang masarap to, guys. Lagay natin lahat. Yan ang maganda pag homemade ingredients ay hindi tinipid. Dapat masarap. So, that's all the ingredients. Aside from, of course, I will put this last. Okay. Boil for a few minutes. I still get, 9 more minutes, guys. The time, 10:51. By 11 o'clock, maybe hubby will come up and check on me already. Eto na siya, guys. Boiling. Kumukulo-kulo. And look. Ang daming sahog. Plenty ingredients. Wow. Now I will add the bacon in there, and then the sausage and the spam. Oh, how do you like this? For lunch? Not bad. So I will just simmer maybe around a minute for the bacon, spam, and sausage to give flavor to the soup. And after that, I will taste so I can adjust if I still need to add salt. Okay, let me taste. I think I need to add more of the pink salt, the Himalayan salt. They call it Himalayan salt. Also, I need some ground pepper. I'm at the finishing touches already, guys. Before I forget, I have here slurry. So let's make the sauce a little bit thick. This is water and cornstarch. Hubby said I want the sauce or the soup to become a kind of thick. So this is what I will do. What? Oh, 11:01 already. You ready to eat? Time check. Oh my God, 11:02. I'm just right. Just a little bit over 11. Yeah, we have a body clock, yeah? Lunchtime is 11 o'clock. Last taste. A little bit more. This one is tastes good and it's not really salty. Oh my God. This is good. Let's eat. Okay, how much you want? 10 pesos. 10 pesos. 15. But it depends on my pricing. Pricing. Because I can, yeah, I will warm we get rice. Hi everyone, I'm back. So we're done with lunch. And right now, I am thinking to make a face mask. So, ganito lang siya and then invert. Ito yung labas niya mamaya. So, I still get one more. Ayan guys, malapit nang matapos yung aking face mask. This is the inside, so I need to invert na natin siya guys. I like black because it fits any clothes that you wear. Plus, it looks more formal, more elegant. Ayan, so na-invert na siya. Ayan, so medyo mas maganda na siyang tingnan kasi I also make stitches at the edges in here. So it look really nice and very neat siya, guys. Ayan, parang professional na siya. And it will look like this. So meron akong safety pin dito. I put the elastic and then insert inside. Ayan siya. Alisin natin yung safety pin. Ayan. Kakat ko lang muna here. Lagyan ng allowance. I will just make a knot for the meantime so I can show you. So, ito na siya. Ganyan. At ito na yung aking face mask with elastic. Ganyan lang siya. Yan. So, diba ang dali? At saan ka pa? Nakalibre na naman ako at maganda naman siya in fairness. Look at how I stitched. Very neat. Ayan.